Yo, yo, yo. Uh, let me check something real quick. Site stats. Total number of artists 657. Look at the site stats here. Number of users 534. Hold on. I'm gonna get the music up. I need to figure out why. Oh shit. Bro, what the hell's my username on this damn site? I don't know. I don't know my own username to my site. Oh my god. I might have to close that. I'm not. What's today, the 11th? I get paid in 2 days. Alright, hold on. My username's No Chill Austin. Okay, and you know what I need to do? I need to fix something with my account. There's a lot of things that I need to fix, but right now, let me just see here. Oh wait, hold on. Let's do songs over 250 million. Alright, hold on. I can see why this doesn't work right now. Where's the... Bro, what the hell? I literally just logged in. Why did it... What? I'm logged in, but it says... That's so weird and annoying. So that number of cookie users is gonna go up by 1 now. Yeah. Interesting. I noticed there's an issue with the site now. I can't... Even though I'm logged in, it won't let me... Oh my god, do I really have to do this? Oh my god. I was trying to work on the other fucking code. Fuck. Alright, hold on. I need to close these tabs here. Yeah, so if I log in, hold on. Alright. What? Alright, so I'm logging in now, and I need to figure out why the settings don't work. Because when I go to settings... Okay. I need to figure out why it doesn't work. And I, for some reason, have to really use the restroom. But I'm streaming early-ish because I have an event that I'm going to tonight. A bowling event. Alright, so start with settings. Oh, I see. It says users info 2 doesn't exist, even though it literally does exist. And I might not need to, make many changes here. Let me see what the, okay, wait, users info 2 does exist. But then, if that didn't exist, then what? Wait, oh, line. Oh, because it's called user info, not users. Alright. Oh, I started watching this anime. And I think I'm almost done with it. I don't know. I think there's another 10 episodes or so. And it's called. Right, so now this should work. Okay, it works now. Nice. Okay, and then refresh this site page. Let me see if I can figure out the login issue or the cookie issue thing. Okay, I don't know why that's like that, but sure. This would be on the home page, which for some reason I still don't understand why I had to do that. Let me check here. Oh, because I didn't. Okay, so I didn't save that. Oh wait, hold on. I thought okay. Interesting. So that's why I had to do it. Yeah, I'm trying to make as many little changes as possible so I don't have to push the whole thing to the site, because last time when I pushed to the code, or pushed the code to the site last weekend, I spent about an hour fixing some stuff because there was a lot of stuff that I was missing. Alright, so now that should work. So now go to my site. Oh wait, no, I already have it up. And hit start with settings. I don't Bro, what the fuck is this? How do I, Bro, how do I record your comment? What the fuck? What shit is this? There we go. Banned you. Fucking weirdo. And then let me report your account. Alright, that's the first time that I had like a bot in here. Alright, let's do this. Oh, cookie key. Oh, but that's good. This one. Yeah, it won't work because it's Alright, hold on. It won't work because of the thing. So then why am I there we go.
Come here, baby. You know you drive me up a wall, the way you make good for all the nasty tricks you pull. Seems like we're making up more than we're making love. And it always seems you
How
got
come it didn't
something
update with the correct
Girls, you got to change your crazy ways. You hear me? Say you're leaving on the 7:30 train and that you're heading out to Hollywood.
Oh, I know why.
You've been giving me that line so many times.
I never changed it back when I was working on it. Okay, now it should update in like 10 seconds. Oh wait, hold on. I see why. And the current song should be an ID anyway. Oh, you know why? I know why. I know exactly why. And then actually, let's comment that out. Let's take this. I don't want to do anything with the new URL yet. Here, because I haven't, oh wait, no. It does work, actually. No, because it should work. It should work, but I don't know, why did I not work? Maybe I have to refresh the site? Why is it not working?
This was all you, none of it me. You put your hands on my body and told me. Told me you were ready for the big one, for the big jump. I'd be your last love, everlasting, you and me. That was what you told me. I'm giving you.
Here, let me delete this. Let me add it again.
You set me free. Send my love to your new life. Treat her better. Gotta let go of all of our goals. We both know we ain't kids no more. Send my love to your new life. Treat her better. Gotta let go of all of our goals. We both know we ain't kids no more.
Huh. Yeah, it didn't work for some reason.
I was too strong.
Let me. I hope it isn't because of the new URL thing. I don't understand it. Why is it not displaying? There must be some function or something that's causing it. It must be the get song details isn't working. Let me see. It's got to be this. Let me check that real quick. Oh, current song isn't. So if I change this to 1, the current song isn't. It isn't being updated, which I do recall that I did comment something out, but was it really that though? Oh, you know why? I know why. Because get song settings doesn't update uh, current song, right? Set cookie. Current song index. So, okay, I don't know why that didn't play.
Enrique Iglesias.
Okay, but but when I do get song settings, alright, I know what to do here. And I need to update previous songs too, which we don't do. And current song index doesn't get updated either. I don't know if the previous song was supposed to be an array. Yeah, it's supposed to be an array, but we don't have it. Or, so in our code, we need to update it. Alright, and then we need to update. Whoa. Alright, so now if I do next song. We do run get song settings, okay. Because we let it to a limit of 1, which is fine. But then we need to update current song index, which
started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here. Nigga, started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team here. Nigga, started from the bottom, now we here.
Cleared the search.
Started from the bottom, now the whole team fucking here. I done kept it real from the jump. Living at my mama's house, we'd argue every month, nigga. I was trying to get it on my own. Working all night, traffic on the way home, and my uncle calling me like, where you at? I gave you the keys, so you bring it right back, nigga. I just think it's funny how it goes. Now I'm on the road, $500,000 for a show.
Okay, I see. Oh, no.
From the bottom, now the whole team's freaking here. Oh my gosh!
Global previous song.
Is this on sale?
Yes, top season is the regime, babe. I can't tell you anything else. This is, medicated.
Because we don't set the song list. So, okay, so now,
I still think you're straight gorgy, and I would love for you to accompany
if I go
me
to,
so I can show you how I live,
No thanks.
and you can get based with me and like 18 of my best dogs.
get song settings, and update this,
Lucretia.
we should,
Look just like Maxwell. She died last week. She didn't die, but you look just like her. We can do like a double date or something crazy like that. My treat.
Okay.
It's all on me. Come on, another can. I'll take care of you.
Sure.
Don't be shy there.
Oh, thanks.
Or be shy.
Okay.
I look way different when I'm not
oh,
in the work
yeah,
clothes.
Oh, right.
you can
Started
undo
from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here. Nigga, started from the bottom, now we here.
Alright,
Started
now,
from the bottom, now the whole team fucking here. Started.
let me see, this should get updated. Wait, what the fuck?
Sitting all alone, not full of gum.
I'm definitely not on that song. Why is it? Why is it doing the wrong song? What the fuck? Let me check that real quick. So we are on, we don't have a current song index, which isn't. Huh, interesting. Alright, we gotta fix the current song index, but then why is this song coming up as BTS? Which, let me. Maybe I think I know why. Let me check what the last song in this list is. I figured it out. I figured it out. Current song ID. Issue with that is when we do get song settings, we aren't updating the correct song. So we need to get one of the other ones, such as current song. Because otherwise, this is running off of a lot of shit. So, well, we can run previous songs back over there. Alright, so, but when we update current song, why does current song not update properly? Current song doesn't get any value, that's why. Huh. Okay, and then set plays +1. That should be here technically. That should be here. That's fine there. And then same up at top. Okay, and then what we need to do, close that file, go to current song. Wait, which current song is this? Count that as current song, okay. Oh, and then we need to figure out why current song index isn't getting anything. Yeah, because these aren't getting their values, which is interesting. Oh, which means actually, if they're not getting their values, something here is incorrect, highly incorrect. Because current song. Okay, looks like I only have one setter. And it looks like five or did that work? It's most likely this. Oh wait, that's local. Okay, let's just start something. Let's just figure this out. Okay, wasn't that one. surprised it wasn't that one. Oh, I think I might know why. When we do add data, are we getting No, we are getting it there. We are getting it here. We are getting it here. Okay, so then set current song 40. 430. Three, 5, 2, 3. Oh wait, this is because I'm in. Oh, hold on. Okay, hold on. I thought you could see my. Okay, so now we're logging in. Let me go back to my. Bro, I'm spending so much time on this shit. It's so annoying. I need to figure out what's going on here. Oh, okay. So it doesn't seem to understand that. Okay, hold on. Okay. Wait, hold on.
Niggas envy, Blicky got the stiffy, got the blicky, drumming up the slicky,
Can you put some else in here real quick? I'll see y'all later. See,
Pop these niggas like a willy nigga. You a silly nigga in the hole with them billy niggas and them hooping niggas. You run up and they shooting niggas. We ain't hooping nigga. No can't be. You a loser nigga. Out that Uzi nigga on the stoop. Grills in my Georgia girl on my frost. You wanna fuck but keep your clothes on. I only want the joke. Man, that's really all I use her for. The kick her out the door. I don't want her. You can keep the horse. She feeding for
Alright, Alright, this should work now. Let me just update it on my end here. Because if I don't update it on my end, next time I push this, we will have the same issue. Alright. So now, I think... Yeah. So if I refresh and then hit start with settings, my thing should reset also. Let me just double check this. Apparently, I have a previous song. I don't know how.
Lil Nas X, I sentenced you to 5 years
sure.
in Montero State Prison.
Okay. So after we've done fucking around here, let me why do I have so many file changes down here? Another GitHub desktop update. This is crazy. GitHub desktop updates like every single day. It's so annoying. Alright, I'm gonna push these changes. Apparently I have like 26 changes. And I think a lot of that was just from fixing shit. You're gonna reopen or what? Oh, one thing I need to check actually, hold on. I need to make sure that when I update plays, I only update it once in the code. Yeah. So what I want to do, I don't want to update it here. And then I guess we could take it out of the current song also. Shit, we're going back to the control panel here. The C panel. C panel stands for control panel. Because if the way that I should reset the views on the site, and I think I will do that soon. Because it's too much, and it's kind of a bit inflated. Well, wait, does get song always run? That's the issue. Actually, let me keep it in current song. I need to take it out of get song because I know current song plays regardless of where I'm at. So, like if it's a playlist or if it's an artist or whatever, but get song might not always be going. because of certain things. And then I think I took it out of. There was another file that I just took it out of. I need to figure out where. Oh, this file I can do. Oh yeah, it's supposed to rain today. Oh, you know why I made so many changes? Because I kept updating stuff here. So I'll show in a minute. Here, hold on. Okay, it's in Get Artist. Okay, and then I think I don't know why there's like, oh, you know one thing I gotta change here? Oh, okay, hold on. I gotta go back to damn control panel. I need to see if I commented out on certain things. Because then I need to uncomment them out. Oh yeah, I'm still trying to sell this dresser. Oh wait, so did I also, I did do the pop-up. So it's in the app UI, let me update. So I could uncomment this, actually throw it. So I don't know if this is gonna update live here. Guess we can see. Oh wait, I know why. I commented this out too. There we go. So every 3 times it should alternate. When people ask if the thing's available, I messaged them. maybe 3 is too much, but it should be 3 that's every 10 seconds is 3. So it would be every 30 seconds it switches, which I think isn't that bad because I think it displays only for 10 seconds and then it switches back. Yeah. So that's good there. So that's working. Okay, I think that's everything then. Let me push these changes to my GitHub repo, and because I did not expect to be working on these changes, and of course when I pushed the changes to the site, there was a ton of issues that I had to fix, and that's probably where they all came from.
Turn my headphone down a little bit. Yeah.
So we are here to work on the control panel. What time is it on now? I'm gonna put that on here. I think my event's at 6:45.
How much money you got? A lot. How much money you got? A lot. How many problems you got? A lot. How many people done doubted you? A lot. Left you out to rot? A lot.
And then I don't have another event until.
You got a lot. How many times you got shot? A lot. How many niggas you shot? A lot. How many times did you ride? A lot.
There was barely any events this month that
how many times did you lie? A lot. How many times did she leave?
I wanted to do.
How many times did she cry? A lot. How many chances she done?
But this is like a big event, and it's like, oh, if you wear red or something, wear red or all white, I don't know. So I'm wearing pretty much all red today. Who knows? A designated driver. Yeah, people are carpooling. I hope it's a big event. I don't know. My meds should be ready to. Oh, I don't know what that Okay. Yep. All right. So with those out of the way, why is this still showing? What code do you see? Oh, you saw this code the whole time. Oh yeah. So let me explain something. Let me show on the site. This might fuck it up, but who knows? Because I think this, if I open up a second instance of the site, it fucks up the... Oh, you know why it fucks it up? Because of it clears who I'm listening to. So let me show you. I'm gonna have to fix that. I think I know how to fix it. I'm not fixing it today. But look at this. So I separated. Let me pull up an instance of the. I keep closing it. I need to pull up the database. So let me show you. I've been doing a lot lately with the site. Still no new songs added, but we're gonna be working on that today and tomorrow. A lot tomorrow. Today is just kind of fixing. I need to write some scripts, automation scripts. In which I need. Why did I click that? What I need to do is I need to write not write maybe I don't know. I need to make a backup of the database real quick. Let me just of the whole thing.
time that she cried a lot. How many chances she done gave you? Fuck around with these thighs.
Make it back up the whole thing real quick.
With my pride, shoot my shot. DMs, yeah, I slide. She in front, but she used to be my side. We take selfies now, used to in her life. But for the fame, plan B was robbing banks. Be a married man right now, I just can't. All the love they gave.
Right, bro, this computer has so many backups of the database. I have no idea. Because I don't know if the... Oh, there was an issue with the site before, I remember. So the issue with the site I had was, for the longest time, this didn't direct to the site. It directed to, like, I spelled randomizer wrong. And I was trying so long to figure out why. It's been like an hour trying to figure it out. Ooh, play artist actually works now. This is just some CSS button I took, but look, I didn't. So look at this. Along with the artist here, let me do it by ID instead. I've been gathering the album type. So if it's an album, if it's a greatest hits, there's about 7 to 8 different album types. So look at this. So if I show fixed album type here, I have 4,258 to go. And the reason for that is because these are very much easier to do than album releases. So album releases, I've been trying to do around 40 a day. I want to do more a day, but they're a hassle to do. Whereas album types, I just pull up the artist discography on Wikipedia or whatever, look through it, and it's a simple click. I just click this, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 different types, and with that, I want to move mixtape up because mixtape's more of an option. What happened? I didn't go to the next song. I think. Sorry, I don't know what happened to the site. The fuck? What happened? Why is it taking forever to load? Don't know. My internet okay? Hello? I think, what happened to my computer? Bro, I don't know why I still follow Duncan on Twitch. Hold on. Let me unfollow Duncan. I don't know why I follow him. I don't watch him at all. Oh, this cipher is almost at 45,000. It's at 38,533. Nice. Oh, and I'm getting ready for my Pokédex post. Oh, I think I was gonna do that all this weekend, but now that I got polls on Tumblr, I need to set up my queue for the next few weeks. But that's a whole different. That's nothing to do with my music site. Alright, let's figure out what's going on. Eventually, I will figure out why the login session doesn't persist. Eventually, I need to work on that. I hate this song. Hey, you know what I'm gonna do? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I will give you a first-hand experience of looking at how my site works here. Look, play artists. Oh, did it not do the thing in the URL? What the hell? What happened? What? Hold on. Legit, this was supposed to work. Hold on. Oh, I'm in the wrong. Hold on. I pushed this feature route and it doesn't work. Oh my god. Stop loading. Play artist from page. Let's see what this does here. Play artist from page. Wait. No. It should. Window URL equals window.location. Okay, maybe. Maybe it only worked on local. I don't know how. I don't know how to debug this such that oh, I'm on the wrong one. I should be on this one. Fuck. You know, push out features. I should have tested everything. If there's anything that I've learned from work, it should have been that. Every time you push something and it's live, you should test it. I could have sworn it worked, you know? Bane of my existence. Alright, for some reason this didn't load the JavaScript for some reason. There we go. Huh. I think but it didn't. Huh. What the fuck? It didn't do a breakpoint there, so how come? Unless I'm not allowed to do breakpoints on my own site? But it must be going somewhere. Oh, there it is, okay. So URL is musicrandomizer.com. Oh, okay. Alright, back to the file manager we go. Oh my god. So much for the file, this JS file we called site functionality. Oh my god. Alright. Now, let's try it. There we go. So this should work now, I would hope. See, look. And now we could just play an artist. On a trip in your favorite rocket ship, going through the sky.
Killing spree.
We don't fuck around. You ain't had enough of us. All these niggas looking down.
Huh, why didn't it, oh, because on the first instance, I think it doesn't work like that. There we go. I can fix that in the future. So, let's get down to business here. We have this now, so look, studio albums. It worked. I swear to God, this worked. What the fuck? I don't understand why this doesn't want to work. What the fuck? Every time I do something on the site, the whole thing just crashes. And I swear I made the title here set to the current artist. Oh my god, it's so annoying. Wait, it says it can't find the URL. Load. But then I didn't close the... It can't find it for some reason. The weird part is, I was fucking looking at this. Wait. PHP load. Artist page. What the fuck? This doesn't exist. I could have sworn this file existed. No, I don't actually know why. Doesn't make sense to me, actually. Because if that means load albums, that must mean the other page doesn't have it.
Bitches be talking and what do I say? Said that I loved her and pushed her away. You want a verse and you ain't with the
Still
game.
can't find
I'm on
it.
my PayPal and I'm on my way. Living real crazy, I'm stuck in my ways. Bitches be telling me I gotta change. Only thing new is the way that I drip. She heard the verse and she swallowed my kids. My head said Gucci, you shopping at Lids. Primo my body.
Oh,
my
it's
fit
in
was a bitch.
load.
Taking my
Okay.
money, my payments be massive. Say you be lit, but your copy redacted. Michael Bay pays, so I'm all about my action. Elderly money, y'all stuck in the mattress. Fuck on your hoe, then I pass her like Madden. We don't fuck around the motherfucking faction. I am on my job, no need for distractions. I add
Load.
my money, not good with subtraction. You ugly, you stupid,
Artist
you fake, you with
page.
cabbage. This bitch got me laughing. You Tiffany
Load
Haddish, you not on my level. Let's get that established. My goons at your door like a UPS package. I take her, I get what I need, then I did. Ho say she love me, I don't give a shit. I got these shots and you taking a sip. Gun in my pocket, I walk with a lip. Feel like a shark in a tank full of shrimp. I hit your plug and he blesses my kid. You hit your plug and he's serving you mid. Never catch peso, Pete loving a bitch. Only got love for my motherfucking click. I just watched the function and walked to the vid. BK ho finna have her my way. Pull off her G's and I'm fucking her sideways. Say that you know me, I look at you sideways. I've been up working, ain't sleeping like 5 days. She gave me dome like a motherfucking migraine. Popping the bean and my peoples go.
So when I was checking this, I wasn't logged in, which was why I saw it. But since I'm logged in, I can't see it. Quite ironic, actually.
Ain't no one stripping my crown on my way to the bench. You can't get to me now. I got my head in the clouds and my tongue in your bitch and my feet on the ground. I got that thing on my waist. If you fucking around and you catching around. I'm filling up my account.
Right.
I get the drip from my cloud.
Let's see. Bitch. Please pass, please pass. Ooh, it passed. Now we can see the albums if we're logged in. Holy shit. Such a weird issue. Okay. So look. Collab albums. Oh, and one thing I wanted to do real quick that I think I should have done actually is on collab albums, it should be set to show who the collaborator is. And what it should do is select the other artists. So if we are artist number 2, the way that I have it set up in the database here, collab albums, I have it set up here. I need to go through and add the second artist and put it there. But this is actually something that I wanted to do.
And now I choose my peers wisely. Trust another human, to be honest, that's unlikely. Sometimes I see clear in the dark cause the light be blinding. Good thing I got my city right behind me, they guide me.
I wonder how many
I like to thank God, that's my nigga, he designed me. Shout out my girl Karma for the beat, it was inspiring. I'm flyer than I ever been. Saliva of Messiah, my desires are benevolent. A specialist, there's something you know nothing about. If I love you, guaranteed to put some food in your house. I mean everything I say so you can chill with the doubt. Cause false words never come out of a real nigga mouth. One, yeah, we've been here before. Swear to God that we've been here before. Feels like we've been here before.
I wonder how many files are like that.
Yeah, we've been here before. I swear to
But
God that we've been here before. Feels like we've been here before.
That album art I need to change it to cover art. But if it's a collab, hold on. In the code, and I can't show the code because I'm in a different screen. But we're gonna put it underneath album. And underneath album, what we need to do here is we need to get a query of collabs. Hold on. If the type equals collab, what we need to do is we need to throw this inside let me switch the code. The screen display.
Bitches be talking and what do I say? Said that I loved her and pushed her away. You want a verse and you ain't with the gang. Drop off my
Here we go. So here we need to do if type equals collab, which we will do down here. String combine all. What we actually want to do here is we want to just do select all from collabs. We will just run our shit like this. Oh wait, where?
Gun in my pocket, I walk with a limp. Feel like a shark in a tank full of shrimp. I hit your plug and he blesses my kid. You hit your plug and he's serving you mint. Never catch peso Pete loving a bitch. Only got love for my motherfucking click. I just wanted the function and wanted the vent.
Well, we can't do select all.
I'm fucking her sideways. Say that you know me, I look at you sideways. I've been up working, ain't sleeping like 5 days. She gave me dome like a motherfucking migraine. Popping the feet.
So,
Well, used to be broke, the money come my way. Hopped in the foreign and rode on the highway, huh? Yeah, know what I'm about, huh?
We do something like this, collab all albums, album name. But what we need to do here, we need to get, what's the table guy? We need to do array, push, DB elements, and then what we need to do is get collab. This isn't the wrong.
I got that thing on my waist if you fucking around and you catching around, huh? I'm filling up my account, huh? I get the drip from my cloud.
Collab albums dot artist underscore one. And we need to do then two artist ID underscore one. Artist ID 2, and we already get the album ID, so we don't need to bother with it. And so what we want to do here is if our if type equals collab, I want to say artist ID 1 equals row
You ain't fucking with the kid when I pull up on a nigga with the party on my hip and ask him where his mama stay and put the barrel to his ribs. Bitch, I'm hungry for whatever on my shoulder. Got a chip and dip and looking for a crumb cause I'm ignorant as shit. So ain't nigga that gauge kick back. It's extra lazy. I've been this shit.
Artist
Bitch, she pay me, want mine
1
and yours. That's
equals
extra
row.
gravy. Dick got her not foaming like a bitch with rabies. Made a couple niggas mad when I fall up in a chick like Oopsie Daisy. A nigga get it cracking like the
2
force of Haiti. You don't even get a chance like abortion babies. I'm a force, so maybe he fucking with a nigga that's
And so what we want to then do here is we want to add an if statement. So then if artist 1 equals artist 2, we're going to say other artist artist 2. Else if artist 2 equals artist other artist equals artist 1,
Now I'm coming for the belt. Told you niggas
which should be fine because we actually don't need the IDs because the names should match who they are. If not, we're gonna have an issue. But actually, yeah, that should be fine. We shouldn't actually need IDs. Because it goes on the artist ID anyways, so it should be fine here. Which is okay. But what I need to do here is then say on the album and do PHP here. If type equals collab, we're gonna say
You see, me and Shofu, we kings of this rap shit. So if you're trying to overthrow us,
then we're gonna say span. I think we're gonna do BR, and then span with, and then href, and then other artist name, blah, blah, blah. Wait.
What's poppin' with it? Show for the beat down. All the hype, all the bars, all the action. Let's go. 2019 cycle warm up. You're welcome in advance. Bitch. Let's go. P-E-A-T-D-O dub and get 'em. Words I'm as enter. Stay on guard.
think you're
Dog.
really doing-
Hunters looking like Pokemon cards, dog. Never lost a battle. Call me stubborn.
let's just say link here. Link. Oh, you know why? Because I have to do and then I think I need to add slashes to this. And I think that would be it. Let's check. Oh wait, hold on. Let me,
Coming with your goons just to feel brave, bad move. Hit your whole squad when it's heat waves at you. Gotta let my boys eat like the 23rd state. Bald Eagles aiming for your top.
That's a real site.
They coming in like I was born on a Thursday. Toys blast, stay with them lines like I'm in 3rd grade. Punchlines, lyricism, delivery, wordplay. The day you beat me will be when Ash has a birthday.
Yeah.
And your teammate on my level couldn't stop me in the first place. I'm better on my worst day. Shotty really boom, fuck around and let it off. You gon' hear it if a burst spray. Been for my team eating good. You on your first plate. Mean with it, ain't no more joy. You gon' need first aid. Self damage, need the HP. I got a curse name. Server drop, you niggas finna really feel an earthquake. Last leader wanted to battle, it wasn't pretty. Now my name's steady.
With, and it doesn't.
City to city, nothing is itchy. And that goes for everybody and any. I'm getting busy. A box full of goons, 150. I got little patience for little Timmys. I'm getting giddy. Murk a nigga if they really want the beef like it's Whitney. I keep me a semi. I pull it noses longer than shifters. You fuck around and you get end up in a box. Reading with me, nigga, that's a drum line. Goated only one type. Stupid nigga pulls it with a sword to a gunfight.
What I should do is probably italicize
Little
it.
nigga sad and you not even my gun height. Bloodline, this ain't Google, you get the chrome tonight. Fully loaded, let the steel fly like it's a Corbinite. Laughing all the way to the bank, I'm not the joking type. Pistol, put it right to your dome, that's not an owner night. Blast with the toys, lifting weight, I'm bulking up. I don't match with you boys, and you not about your paper, try to clash and get torn. My attack is like the money, how I dance with a sword. Godfather of the shit, you trying to battle the Lord. Have you trying your team? Excited, I don't get happy, I get hyped with the beam. I take it away, you question if your life was a dream. To reawaken, consume
They beat me with that shot at birthday. Yeah. Do 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 do. They beat me when Ash has a birthday, yeah. Okay, let's see how well this works. Took me to the actual site. Oh, but isn't it, it's Shofu and Token Black, but it should probably, oh wait, fuck. What happened to my music?
Your money.
DJ Summer Free.
Trying to show these niggas why we on some legendary shit. You already know. Again. Yeah, you ready?
Alright, let's try this again. So it goes to token black, which is fine. One thing I want to check though. I don't know what happens to the picture. Like, why does it do that sometimes? I don't know. With show food. Yes, sir. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna put this on the side.
And I like what I'm seeing. She told me she want more, so she used encore. I took her with on tour. She let me in her TM49, all because
So now the actual site should have it now. Hour and a half of like doing nonsense, feels like. There we go. With token black. Bitch. Sir, look at these, all these release dates here. One thing that will be cool now is all albums. Can get to that page. Yeah, this still needs, I think, to be fixed. But like, look, the release dates are slowly coming together. All the release dates are slowly coming together. Which is nice, because I want it to be so you can, look at this, all these here. I don't know how it sorts that, but okay. But then I want to do it by albums by alphabetical. I want to add a new section here. Alphabetical to an extent, because it has to be like A to whatever, B to whatever. So I don't load them all at once. We all know how that goes. This work? So I think this is very good. I need to fix here. 95 albums. This is incorrect though. But I should also add album type on here, but that's not today. Finally, we can work on the other thing here. So let me change the code page to the other one. And let me explain what we need to do. So oftentimes I have to correct a year from an album. I have to either more than often, I have to correct an album year, an album name, an artist, something, genre, whatever. And it's very hard to do that. And what I had done before here, what am I showing? I had this page here called Fix IDs, or Fix database issues. And what I need to do here is add more to it. Because we need to, let me show you guys. Collab albums. I already finished that. Fix all album names all around database. I need to fix that. So this is done. And then what I need to do is fix album years all around database. Oh, And if we delete an album, you know, one thing I really want to do is re-index the album IDs. And that's gonna be later on. Later.
Hey man, it's that 2013
Script
Chillful and Young
to
Bass or shit, man. We ignorant. You know
Index
it's 2016, you know?
database.
IDM, we still up in this motherfucker. Young Bass Lord,
For
still up
names,
in this motherfucker.
re-index database for albums and artists. Because if we delete an artist or an album and like I want to re-index it, it's not that easy to do. And the issue that happens or that occurs is that it fucks up all the IDs on everything. So this will require some testing before I even write a script blind. So to fix database albums, here we have fixed database IDs. Let me just add another one and see where this falls on the UI.
Lanes with the standard Sanders spam is all trying to burn me like senator. Yo, lady,
Years,
over me
okay.
dead, don't forget I'm a level
Fix
we like a
years.
Lannister. Risk ain't so cold, it's on deliver. Skirt.
Fix database album names.
Whipping up heat in the kitchen. Icy McSpicy, I'm pimping. Scrafty, I walk with the limping. Blasters don't come with extensions like
Hold up, wait, hold up. Flex on you trainers machine. Hold up, wait, hold up. Flex on you trainers machine. So one thing that happens here is no, we already set. When I make it a collab album, do I update?
Who the fuck is that bitch? I'm the king up in my city. Just carry cross and now nobody fucking with me. Pussy ass niggas out here looking like a skitty. Used to feel so down and shitty. Now I'm falling like I'm Whitney. Watch me roll out on them niggas. What the fuck is
When I make it a collab album, do I update the songs? I do.
in the ground with the mud shots, but now I put them in the sky with the
I do all that. So one thing I need to do now is when I fix IDs.
Who you trying to pollute? Anyone
I
can
need
get it. This
to
ain't
create
version
functions
exclusive.
here
Crick
for the other ones.
Nigga, I abuse.
Which
Champion of music. Got these badges I can
I personally don't care. Update IDs, or does it say update years? We could just convert this all into one and easily. I don't know. We could just convert this all into one and just pass through a selector here. But I don't want to risk that. We don't need to pass actually any variables here. Fix database. Let's just do this. Years. Album name. Let's do that. So let's just do fix database. We'll do one here. Fix database. And then what we could do here is selection. Fix selection. And then what we want to do here is this, and then update data we don't need to do. Let's just do, actually let's do this. Let's do window.alert text. That's fine. And then an update file. What's crazy is that my control panel has so many files now that I'm just like, Jesus Christ, there's a lot here. Where I do need to I need to put this on my GitHub. I'll probably do that tomorrow. Because I don't have a private repo for this, and If I lose this, I am not gonna have it. So that's another thing. So let me I do have update database ID. Oh, that's for the other.
If he itching for trouble, I swing on a board on my enemies, stuck or they flee. Insects yell nothing to me. Tell them it's G, they can't even see me. They stop playing local, they ain't know the coast, so I hit them, my bro, we move.
Alright, so let me show the code now. So we're gonna get this, and realistically, one thing that's gonna happen is that we're not gonna know. That road is dangerous. I need to. I hate that road so much. Leaving this because cars come from both ways. Sometimes people park in that fire line and they shouldn't. There's a clear reason why. But you can't see, because it comes at a curve, you can't see who's coming from that side. And it's blocked, and if it's a small car, you definitely can't see it. But if you're going out, you can't see. You have to look. You have to see both directions. If you're going the other way, it doesn't matter. You can only see one, which is fine. But the issue is the light, the turn from the light. So many cars do come through it, regardless if it's a red light on the opposite end. Cars just keep coming through, and it gets so annoying. I get so scared. Alright, so then we're gonna say if selection equals else if selection equals, and then let's get the thing here, years of album name. And there is a thing that I do have to do here. So we gotta, for years, one of these queries has to be very specific. So we're gonna update songs, set. This doesn't have to be a special. Hold on. It doesn't have to be a special thing here.
2013.
Wait, they're both set to years? What the fuck? Hold on.
Show boo. Suicide. And
So we're gonna set years equal to select all. Not select all.
we're back.
Select year release from all albums where songs dot. This has to be a special query or else it fucks up the whole thing because the singles, if it's a single, it fucks up the song. So I want to make sure, or I need to make sure.
Back again, the leanest and the meanest with a steel X4 penis. I mean this retreat, bitch, you lack the love this. I believe this, a fucking legend. I deserve my own movie, bruh. Flyer than a Zapdos, wingspan a Lugia. Homicidal horn driller, your allies.
So select all from year release from albums with songs dot album ID equals all albums dot ID. And then I need to say where songs dot album ID does not equal -1. I think will work. If not, we have an interesting query ran here. Another way to test this. I could set. I'm scared to test this because if I fuck up, I fuck up. Oh, you know what? Let me do this. Let me make a backup of songs and then test this query. Because it's very delicate to have. And testing on the live database isn't ideal, but this is part of the things I need to fix. Alright, so I'm gonna change relapse to 2010 here. And this script should update it such that relapse gets fixed. Please don't crash, please don't break, please don't break. 13 rows affected. That sounds about right. Relapse should be back to 2010 here, or 2009. Yes. Okay, the script worked. That just means I probably have to update a name on the other thing. So similar to the other one here, but what we're gonna do here for the SQL here is we're gonna say update album, update songs, set album equal to, and then all albums. Select album name from all albums where songs.album ID equals all albums.id where songs.album ID does not equal -1. It's pretty much the same damn script. The reason we don't want to set album is because where album ID equals -1 is because we don't want to fuck it up. So we can easily test this. So with hold on. So that means all the albums are coming from. So here's relapse. I'm gonna add like a relapse here. And I'm going to run this query here. And it should say 13. That's fine. I think I updated some stuff there. But yeah, relapse there. Let me just make sure I'm updating it correct. Okay, yes. So now we have that. That was a lot easier than I thought. There is one thing I do need to check in this database for. Let's figure out what. Let me. Let's figure out what automation is left here. Oh. Before I do that, one thing I need to check here. So when we add these songs over, what we need to do here. Hold on. Where is it? Verified songs. When I verify these, where are they at? Oh, I'm in the wrong one. Oh my god, I nearly had a heart attack. I'm like, oh my god, where'd they go? Here. So when we verify these songs, interestingly enough, I should have. These need to. I need to update these verified songs. Because I forgot, I changed the structure a lot, so I need to make sure the structure matches, so that it's easy for me to just merge the songs together. Year album features your length Spotify. Album art, 1, 2. I'm gonna get rid of 3 and 4 at some point. Video views, lyrics ID, alternate version is past, and skip, track ID, and then we added 3, album ID, artist ID, and collab ID. There's a album ID, artist ID, collab ID. 255, 255. I probably have to do this for these, probably. But let me just make sure. Is alternate version lyrics ID and track skip. Alright. At least this isn't bad.
Electrocuted Misty, Lieutenant Circus, Easy and Erica tried to kiss me. Smoking Cali Kush with Koga, and Sabrina was a bitch. Blaine needed to cool down. Giovanni sleeps with fish. Got that Lover swag, yeah, we pelican flash. And we're gonna be ignoring levels too high. No blast doors.
I don't know what this is for.
I rip that Pokemon red like a relicanth. I can't look you in the eye because I heard it's rude to stare at hoes. You're a little magic carpet, I'm a fucking Gyarados. Water to your rock, fire to your grass.
Oh yeah, so I started watching Fear the Walking Dead, and I'm gonna be honest, I'm almost done to season 1 because it's 6 episodes, and I'm on episode 5. I just finished episode 4. It's very slow, so I'm watching it very slow. Because I'm not entirely sure about it, to be honest. And it's the main character, Travis. I hope he dies. Man, it's gonna get people killed. He already did. Unless he grows a pair. His girlfriend or wife, or not his old wife, not his old girlfriend or whatever. His new one, she's badass. She's able to read the room and know that this is not a joke. And I hope she becomes the main character. I hope she doesn't die. And every time I finish an episode, I go on the wiki and to see what people say about it. You know, I want to hear what the people say. And the issue that people seem to have a lot with is that it's very slow, but that they skipped 9 days. The episode 2 to 3, they skipped 9 days from the apocalypse, and people hated that. And I was thinking to myself, like, it might be better that they skipped 9 days, because wouldn't that be very annoying? I don't know. But that's just because I would have hated to see it drag. It's already slow as it is. People want it slower, like, come on. But I don't know. I hope there's more. It's not entertaining yet. I'm still trying to find a part where, like, it's entertaining, and I've not found it yet. And that's the issue that I'm having. Alright, you know, I'm only gonna update. I guess I might as well update all of them. But the son that's addicted to crack or whatever, he's annoying. I hope he dies. He's annoying. The man is itching. He's itching over there. I'm just like, oh my god, shut up. Man, the mom started punching him. Like, get it together, man. As she should. In the fucking apocalypse, and they're fucking around with drugs. Like, but I do wish that it would have been more fun if they did a spin-off series where we saw everyone from The Walking Dead, like the main characters, and how they started out. Because we saw it with Negan, sort of. Yeah. We saw it with Negan, and we didn't see it with anyone else, really. And I find that very annoying, and I think a lot of people would love if they had that. And they had that, because it would have been so much better. Like how Shane, as much as I hate Shane, how much he started off, how Lori made it through, like, I mean, we all know Shane took care of Lori, but I want to know how, like, Glenn, how he went through. And the thing with the, it's whatever, I think so. The thing with the Fear the Walking Dead is they're in LA or like California, somewhere in California, which is very annoying because the people are like, oh, that's the helicopter that Rick saw. Rick is over in Atlanta. That helicopter would have been traveling. I don't know what these people were thinking, but apparently they thought like, hey, Rick is that helicopter been flying for days over there. It's definitely the one Rick saw. Like, what? People are more high than Rick was. But there's one thing I did wish is that it felt like we're gonna see Rosita in this beginning, but it wasn't her. It's some other girl. I thought it was Rosita for a minute. I was like, is that Rosita? We're getting her origin story? Let's go. But no, it wasn't. Unfortunate. But yeah, it was, I don't know. I find it a bit corny. And this is, I think, how I'm gonna feel for the first few seasons, because and someone on the Reddit thread said it perfectly. Because this Fear the Walking Dead started 7 years ago. I think it just ended. And I'm watching it because I want to watch after the Dead City or whatever the CRM is in. And that, when I was watching this, I was like, oh, so this must be how the CRM began in Fear the Walking Dead. But I don't. I'm trying to make connections that I have no idea about, of nothing. But what was I saying? Oh yeah, someone on Reddit put it perfectly. It's like, because we're so used to like how Rick and his crew handle things, we expect the same out of these people. But you have to remember, they just started they just started with how the apocalypse started, the zombies. And I understand that, but I sort of hate it also, because it's sort of like, well, get it together, man. And then the main character does not like guns. Come on. I know Morgan comes, when he leaves The Walking Dead, he comes over to the Fear the Walking Dead for the rest of the series. I think it's around season 4 Morgan shows up. But I do wish there was a crossover. Like, imagine if they did a crossover episode. That would pretty much be the ending of Fear the Walking Dead and the beginning of a new season or something of The Walking Dead. If they did a crossover. Because there would be no reason to continue Fear the Walking Dead after that. But oh my god, it would be crazy. But who knows, actually. I don't know. I'm trying to connect some pieces because I finished The Walking Dead, and now I'm watching Fear the Walking Dead because it's on Hulu. Because I resubscribed to my Hulu because I realized Netflix doesn't have anything, and they definitely don't have a lot of what I want to watch. I do need to finish A Devil's a Part-Timer Season 2, but I don't know. Eventually I'll get to that. But when I was on Hulu, I was watching 2 shows. No, I'm watching 3 shows on Hulu right now. And I'm probably gonna finish No Game, No Life. That one has been very interesting. And it's definitely something that I like. I think it is something that the only thing I don't like is the relationship between the brother and the sister. The writers they knew what they were doing, but it's weird. But and even the main character's 18, and I don't know. But they're pretty self-aware of it too. I don't know. Like there's a lot of it reminds me of the people who wrote High School DxD, the writing of that show. So that's probably why I like their show, because the writing is simple, straight to the point. I love that in the show they have to play a game every time they challenge each other, and when they said if you find another person cheating, you can point it out and they lose automatically. What I like is that the main character is blank, which is forget what their names are. But combined, their name is blank. And one thing I like is even though they know the other person's cheating, they don't point it out. They use it to their advantage, and I love that because it makes it more interesting. Because if they just pointed it out, it would be boring. But they themselves can cheat. So that's the thing. They themselves can cheat, so it's not that bad. No, this isn't correct. ID. What is 9? Okay, something here is. This is it. Song goes away. Latest artist song name, year, album, features, year, length. Oh, then something's missing. Features, Euro, length, genre, Spotify, Genius, chords, video views, lyrics ID goes after video views. But that's one thing I like is they don't point it out, they just use it to their advantage, and I think that's amazing because it would be so boring if they just pointed it out. But I love that at the end, they always get me too. They always no, we actually did this. I'm like, what the fuck? They actually did that? How? But everything's so calculated. It's better because I think people know they have plot armor. They're obviously gonna win. We obviously know the ending. So I think the show is more around how do they do it. And that's the one thing that I do like about the show. So after video views, one thing about this one is this one kind of messed up. Yeah, video views, lyrics ID, and then it goes alternate version is verified. Have your own. I think track ID is at the bottom. Like that. And I probably have to check on the other one too. I didn't even take a look at it. What I should probably do, maybe I could write a script to have this update, but then if there's data in there, I don't know how I can update it, so who knows. Here, let me check this one. This one might be incorrect also. Yeah, it is. The track ID goes at the bottom too. I guess I just went ahead and changed all of these. I guess I don't know why I was doing that. But yeah, that's the show. And then I watched this other one, which was I started watching it. I should probably get back to it, otherwise I will lose interest. It's Stan Lee produced one too. It's called is it Mutants? I think it's called. It's on Hulu. And it looked interesting. I think it's only 2 seasons, which is fine. But I think they're like 24 episode seasons. But I watched the first 2 episodes of that. It was good. It was alright. I don't know if I'm gonna watch more of it. I don't know. Oh, okay. So let me get this right here. Look at this. Oh yeah, this song age restricted. I gotta fix that. I gotta use the restroom. So BRB.
DJ Son of Freak. Time to show these niggas why we on some legendary shit.
You already know.
Again. You ready?
Shout out DJ Sonic Freak.
Get 'em.
They call it kid show food, woke up hard body. Y'all niggas soft like tofu. When a nigga known as 6 dude, you don't even know dude. Show food, he's the one to go to. Make it rain, we make it hell. You better come with your snowshoes. Old news, Pokemon bars, beat the fuck out of the Pro Tools. Now hold up, let me switch my flow up. Pocket full of donuts, go nuts. See electro, how I roll up. That a nigga got the tendency to fucking blow up. Any beat I'm on, let me teach you a lesson. I get the impression you need the attention. Not a Pokemon go to heaven when nigga is lethal injection. The mental aggression, I'm gone.
Sweet goes to the 6 legendary moves with show food when this bitch frost last and it's cool as a shit. Who is this kid? Just a nigga shocking that's right cool when this bitch. Johto be the home. Every time I float an earthquake starts splitting your dome. Fall to the bone, fold home. You not sick, I'm out of this world. The odds is my spits. Start when my flow dumps cause I'm soaking plenty bitches in my hydro pump. I go dumb as a side duck with your female all on my nuts. How wild out on when you skull on my head. How you fucking with a legend when you just an egg? I'm out to prove that I execute. Think not and I'm scrambling you execute, boy. Motherfucker, I'm red. Sweet film 6. Show 6.
She said I see what you doing, and I like what I'm seeing. She told me she want more, so she used Encore. I took her with on tour. She let me in her TM49, all because the flow is legendary like an Arcanine.
You see I'm raw, that's the reason why you stare at me. We the same level, but you got here with rare candies. You ain't worthy, better get to the part and trust. You in the presence of a god, Arceus.
Choose not the best, bitch, what the fuck is you telling me? Going against the mascot, boy, that is a felony. And I do it all for the bragging rights. I'm running traffic lights, backpacks, right, Snorlax appetite. Dust cloud taking to the afterlife, you ain't half as nice.
The most potent beyond what's in your needles. I go Groudon, you go Weedle. Swift as a sneasel, anybody creep up, I'm rocking your skin. Fuck what you heard, Peter. Dumbasses. Next time y'all try to protest Pokemon, make sure you do a little bit of research before you look fucking stupid.
Real shit.
Speak 6. Shofu.
Yep.
Eh?
Bitch.
Your boy looking like Eveltu. The way I'm killing shit, they know I'm so lethal. King in is in there throwing all the champs getting on. Meditating is in there with no headbutt to the dome. Fire flashing cause nobody versus on par. I'm sugar rush with the flow like rage cannon bars. Yeah, I'm bringing Gallagher. Don't need the planet stars to shoot Saturn, including Jupiter all the way to Mars. Suffer burning tracks to ashes, not a way to catch him. The kid got an angle point, advise you not to tempt him. From this bird eye view, you're not so like an item. Cause it's small like fungus, I come and flash and blend them. Huh, it's a definite shame. Not a missing number and I'm still glitching the game. You little bars melting when I'm bringing the flames. Sun and moon traps, catch me in the Hall of Fame. Yeah.
Trainers hating on me, I don't get it. Why you mad, bruh? Probably cause I don't need a team to get swagger. Or cause I can make a girl teleport like Abra. And if she want a spoon, trade that bitch a cadabra. I just hit it, I'm not trying to chill and cuddle. And it's out, no move. Baby, that's a struggle, no teddy, be weird. When I dig up in your snuffle, brick breaking your walls, turn your graveler to rubble. Full metal body when I'm grasping the pen. Poker bank, couldn't hold the checks, I'm cashing in. Ability is stamina, no lasting with him. There'll never be a race that you're passing me in. I can go berserk, I'm a dragon who's grandpa. Professor on the mic, Gen 1, blues grandpa. Better man up, bar strong as mud break. I think you need a heal, go catch your compay.
The cipher over, of course you niggas ain't had enough. I'm honing edges, I never miss, my claws are tough. I splatter a tatter, you rats are getting fatter. A nigga got the juice, never see me more shatter. I pop up real quick, I'm like a spectral thief. Switching like Nintendo, you shocked, it's easy. I'm a vet, some like to go, can't hear competition. I'm chopping all the throats, niggas wanna be irrelevant. Ghost like Trevor near rude of the problem, see through, transparent, don't speak. You're a geek, just follow, you're a sheep. Zoo bass can't see you, suck, no please. I'm in love with the cocoa. Niggas hopping out round two like Johto. Ooh. When I'm still up in it, I get my money rapid, clear the haters, I'ma spin it like that.
B-E-A-T-D-O dub and get 'em. Okay, show for the beat down. Tell your girl she ain't ready for the meat down. She got a scary face, so you know my speed down. Still had a cookie, so I shot my bullet seed out. We run this shit, we don't pretend to. Know they carry long arms, me and Fu. Shofu brothers together, me and Fu. Infiltrated the song, let me in, Fu. Don't get it twisted, outside of this, I'm a thug. Always got ice on my neck, I have a lug. Ice punch to your freeze, make your heart stop. Get the whip, ride on you niggas like I'm Park Rock. She get drain these nuts, it won't spit out. Every time I hashtag getting them guts, I burned up and get the heat cause I'm so hyped. Then I burned up, Ray Shrummer got no time.
Back at it again, let's make go with a pen with. I'm sketching, you trace it, I'm penning a win. In case you ain't catch it, your rhymes are just hollow. Remixing these squids cause you Mars are so mallow. Been in threat with the mean look. Trainers asking me what I mean, look. These rappers stay shook when I'm quaking the earth. You ain't big, you just fluffy. This plus gon' get murked. I'm in tune with the bad guys. Soundproof in the booth, that's the down wise. Stay dressed to the nines. Call it fit blast, so it's fresh. Been bugging on the cipher, we the first to impress. Get this track to a road, and turn his ass to a toaster. Got the crowd jumping high, bitch kicking like pheromones. Looking for a trick. We'll treat you before we ghost you. Knock off the sleep talking. The time's ticking, it's over. Don't blink.
I'm back.
Straight out of Gen 7. These nobodies never hear a bag in the mud. My heat flows make them sweaty like a magma slug. Can't see me like a slap with mud. Ice freeze like a crash of dove. Apple luck, you already a carcass for the man to buzz. I am the sand sludge, switcher to your magneton. This what happens when the totem calls. Get your rodents on.
Alright, so what do we need to do? Well, what I need to do here, get pending genius links. Let me test this real quick. I think, oh no. And the one thing we're not done yet with the database stuff. Hello, computer. Spazzing out right now.
You release, you did not say the game, ain't gotta say it. They all know the name, gone for a minute, but a nigga lost hype, went ghost, nigga.
I don't know why my... Let me refresh my site. I don't know what's going on here. What is going on here? Alright, so one thing I need to do here in the code, when I transfer all these over, what I need to do is, when I add the songs, I don't want to, but there's no ID. Let me check that. I think we could actually. I want to move these songs over because there's 2,700 songs ready to be moved over. But and what I can do is move these over without having an issue. Let me check. The other issue is artists should also be the same as artists on this page here. So the fact that they're not the same is kind of an issue. Alright, so I need to update these databases so that they're the same. Not update the tables so that they are the same. But they actually don't need to be the same. You see, the reason for that is that the artists, we can cross-identify artists easily. So let me go here, verify time. So let's do this real quick. Fix database. We're gonna say else if selection equals verified songs, and we are going to do this easily. And because we aren't messing with the fix verified songs, because we aren't messing with the actual database, the live one, and that table, we can fix it here, which would be fine. One thing I do need to do here is then we need to do SQL equals select all from verified songs. Like that. And what we need to do here, we need to do a while loop on here. So I don't think it's gonna be this one, but I need to check. I need to check this anyways. Oh, and one thing that I did want to do, I want to drop the 2022 table here and create the 2024 one. Because the 2022 one is very useless. And I'm not gonna update it. I'm gonna update it like tonight when I'm back, or whenever time I'm back. I don't know how long I'm gonna be gone. But what we need to do here is something like this, and then I need to figure out. And then Okay, like this. Okay, now I can show it. So what we do here, we select all from this. What we want to then do here is then do, we want to say, and then we get the artist. So we get what we want to actually do is SQL equals SQL equals select all from artist where artist equals, and then we want to say here, artist name equals row artist. Artist. I think in case the artist name has apostrophes or whatever, we'll do it like that. Select all from artist ID. So then what we want to do, and one could easily convert this to another while loop, which I don't know how long this script will take, but who knows. We do that. We want to say result 2, row 2, so then we get artist ID equals row ID row 2, and then while we get that, we want to say, well, we don't even need to do there's no reason to do a while loop here, but I want to make sure, I need to find out where, alright, I don't care, because there's well, I guess we should do, I have multiple tables open up here anyway. Where artist ID equals 0. Collab ID, trap ID, lyrics ID, whatever. Then we do this. Then we do skill 3 equals update verified songs set artist ID equal to I guess what we should, we're gonna need a where here. Or no, song ID equals row song ID. No, just ID. Like that. Because we're gonna need set artist ID equal to artist ID where ID equals song ID. It's so weird that the Super Bowl is tomorrow. Like, I just can't believe that shit. Alright, what's wrong with this picture here?